Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. So the first thing we have to do once on the Temu website, we need to make a new account freshly made, and it has to be new. You can't make this account a couple of days ago or a couple of weeks ago or even last year. It has to be new. So new email, new everything. The email has to be fresh. It can't be made before on this account. So you will have to make everything new. So once here, you want to click on sign in slash register. And then I'm just going to click in register here, and I'm going to log in with Google here. I'm going to choose this account. I'm going to click on continue. Now, from here, once you log in, you'll see that there's already going to be a lot of promo codes here, right? There's a lot of discounts and a lot of deals that you can buy and use. But if you really want the free one, the thing is, there used to be a free version on the desktop version, right? Like there's a URL here that's still here, free.html. But if we try to click on it, it'll just redirect back onto the home page because Temu has recently moved their free promotions all the way back to the old app users only. So once you've made this account, you will have to download the app, and then from the app you can log in, and then you can claim your free gifts from one of the tabs there. It should pop up immediately as a notification: claim your free gifts now. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.